Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and today we're going to have a series of videos that I have and will be posting in a playlist. We will actually talk about antivirus or virus terms that we hear all the time, and what exactly do they mean? What is the difference between one or the other? What's the difference between what's a 0-day and what's malware and phishing and ransomware? What are the differences between all of that? What does a firewall do? We're going to check all these terms and actually have these terms explained, and maybe you'll have a better idea of types of viruses, malware, and stuff that exists out there that are a security hazard. And hopefully you'll be able to learn more about security at the same time. So these are going to be, like I said, in a playlist so that you can actually enjoy them and check them out. So these are going to be a series for today as we try to have more and more people learn about security, learn about computers. This place is a central place where I want to try to have everybody that is on the channel kind of become an expert, a small expert in its own rights, to continue using your computers by learning a lot of stuff and trying to explain it in a very basic way so that you can all understand it. And it might seem a big world and very difficult, but in reality, take it one step at a time, and you actually could be surprised at what you learn and how you can use your PC when you follow simple steps. So hope that you'll enjoy this series today. And of course, we are going to start on this video just talking about what's an antivirus, which is a simple term. Well, antiviruses are software that are there to protect you from little pieces of code. Viruses, malware, ransomware, all of that. What is it? It's simply a little program in reality, but a little program that can do a lot of damage. And antiviruses are there to protect you, to try to find and detect them before they actually hurt you, before they actually do anything. Because if the code is there, but it's not executed, it can't do anything. It has to run. And antivirus is trying to detect this before it will actually run for the first time and do its damage. Once it runs, then that's another story. And there's a lot of problems that can come from the different. And you'll see what the different types of viruses actually that we're going to talk about in this series can do. But at its simplest form, an antivirus is there to try to detect these before you actually get infected. But the catch is, technically, what you want is never to have that code in your PC, and that you're the security behind it, and of course updating your PC to the latest versions of the security updates is what keeps all of this safe and prevents most of the time that malicious code from actually being on your computer. So we're going to have now the series where we're going to talk about the different types of malware and codes that can actually infect. And what does it mean? And of course, we'll at the same time talk about some of the different things that go with, the different terms that go with also viruses, antiviruses, and security. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.